Prodentim is a revolutionary oral care product that aims to revolutionize the way we take care of our teeth and gums. This innovative product is designed to provide a complete solution for maintaining optimal oral health, and it is made with all natural ingredients that have been scientifically proven to support oral health. One of the key features of Prodentim is its ability to remove plaque and bacteria from the teeth and gums effectively. This is achieved through the use of an advanced formula that contains enzymes and other natural ingredients that work together to break down plaque and bacteria, leaving the mouth feeling clean and fresh. Prodentim also contains a variety of essential vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. These include vitamin C, which helps to strengthen the gums, and vitamin D, which aids in the absorption of calcium and helps to prevent tooth decay. Other important ingredients include coenzyme Q10, folic acid, and zinc, which work together to support the health of the teeth and gums. Prodentim is also made in an FDA-approved facility, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality and purity. It is also non-GMO, gluten-free, and suitable for vegetarians. In conclusion, Prodentim is a revolutionary oral care product that provides a complete solution for maintaining optimal oral health. With its advanced formula and all-natural ingredients, Prodentim effectively removes plaque and bacteria from the teeth and gums while providing essential vitamins and minerals for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. Its ease of use and natural composition make it a great choice for anyone looking to improve their oral health in a natural and effective way.